Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to install Kali Linux in VirtualBox. Firstly, visit the official Kali Linux download page, then scroll to the installer image section. Choose the correct version like 64-bit, 32-bit, ARM, then click download and wait for the ISO to finish downloading. Now open VirtualBox and click new. Set the following name, type, and version, then click next. Now, you need a minimum 2 GB of RAM and 4 GB recommended, and click next. Now choose create a virtual hard disk now, then click create. Choose VDI, VirtualBox disk image, then select dynamically allocated. Set at least 25 GB of the virtual hard disk size, then click create. Now select the newly created Kali VM in VirtualBox and click Settings. Go to the Storage tab, under Control IDE, click Empty Disk icon. On the right side, click the disk icon and choose a disk file. Browse and select the downloaded Kali Linux ISO file, then click OK. Now, select your Kali VM and click Start. In the boot menu, select Graphical Install. Proceed through the installer like choosing your language, set up user accounts, partition your virtual disk, and install the GWB bootloader. Then, after installation, the system will reboot and you'll be in Kali Linux. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.